Have you ever noticed something strange? Look at it. You go to school, you meet professor with PhD. These people have studied for 20 to 30 years, but many of them are still not wealthy. Some struggling financially, some drive old cars, some still live paycheck to paycheck. Now, I need you to think about that carefully. How can somebody be highly educated and still not financially free? The answer is very simple. Academic knowledge is different from wealth knowledge, and that is the biggest financial secret many people never learn. Traditional education teaches you how to work for money, but wealth education teaches you how to make money work for you. There is a huge difference between both. From childhood, most people are programmed with one formula. That is, go to school, study very hard, get a good job, work for 40 years, pay taxes, contribute to pension, then retire. That is the system that everyone is used to. But I need you to listen to this carefully. There is nothing wrong with school. Education is important. But education is a foundation. And as you all know, nobody lives in the foundation of a building. But schools mainly prepare people to become employees and not wealth creators. That is why many schools teach mathematics, science, geography, history, but they rarely teach how money works, how to build assets, and how to invest, how to start a business as well, how to make cash flow work for you, and how wealthy people think strategically. And those are the things that create financial freedom. Poor and middle class people mainly work for income. Rich people focus on building assets. Well, now, what is an asset? An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. Examples of asset could be business that you run, real estate, properties, investment, system that generate income for you. The wealthy don't just work for money, they make money produce more money for them. That is wealth thinking. Now, let me show you something very powerful. Around 1971, Richard Nixon removed the US dollar from the gold standard. Before then, money was backed by gold. After that time, money became fiat currency, in other words, debt. And from that point, wealthy people understood something many average people in the world today do not understand. Debt could now be used as a tool. You see, poor people use debt to buy liability. That put them in perpetual bondage. They used to buy expensive car, luxury clothes, phones, things that lose value over time. But wealthy people use debt differently. They use debt to buy assets that generate cash flow for them. For example, rental property, businesses, investment. The asset pays income. The asset pays them income all the time. So the income pays the loan. And the wealthy people keeps building wealth upon wealth. This is financial intelligence. So the question is not just how educated are you? The real question is how financially educated are you? Because in today's world, academic education may help you survive, but financial education helps you build freedom. And if you truly want wealth, you must learn how money works. Now, as I close this video, if you only work for money, you may survive. But when money begins to work for you, that is when wealth begins. Thank you very much for listening to this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye for now.